Psalm 14, first part. By nature all men are sinners. Fools in their hearts believe and say that all religion's vain. There is no God that reigns on high, or minds the affairs of men. From thoughts so dreadful and profane, corrupt discourse proceeds, and in their impious hands are found abominable deeds. The Lord from his celestial throne looked down on things below, to find the man that sought his grace, or did his justice know. By nature all are gone astray, their practice all the same. There's none that fears his Maker's hand, there's none that loves his name. Their tongues are used to speak deceit, their slanders never cease. How swift to mischief are their feet, nor knew the paths of peace. Such seeds of sin that bitter root in every heart are found, nor can they bear diviner fruit till grace refine the ground. Psalm 14, second part. The folly of persecutors. Are sinners now so senseless grown that they thy saints devour, and never worship at thy throne, nor fear thine awful power? Great God, appear to their surprise, reveal thy dreadful name. Let them no more thy wrath despise, nor turn our hope to shame. Dost thou not dwell among the just, and yet our foes deride, that we should make thy name our trust? Great God, confound their pride. O that the joyful day were come, to finish our distress, when God shall bring his children home, our songs shall never cease. End of Psalm.